everyone, this is Kathy again from the Art Process Studio, and I'm going to just show you little clips of how I teach in my classes, my mixed media and collage and composition classes and workshops, so you can get a taste of the way I try to work both intuitively and to teach people techniques and tips on best practices for good compositions. So please like and subscribe and you'll get my new videos as they come in. Our first project, I just asked people to randomly choose like some consecutive pages from a magazine, cut out the squares, and then we worked with them and rearranged them. So you'll see what happens. This technique that I'm going to show you works best with darker paper, but you do get a different effect with lighter paper. I'm just going to show you with this paper. So I'm going to keep this paper here. I'm going to get my sandpaper and I'm going to find my stencil, and whatever stencil or texture you want to use, let us, here I'm going to use this and I'm going to put it underneath the paper. And then I'm going to take my sandpaper and I'm going to sand it so that I get some kind of texture on that paper. I'm going to put this closer to you so that you can see. So in effect, I'm kind of altering the paper and creating this new kind of paper that can be used as is, or you can tear it and use just that portion of it. And then of course what you want to do is take a dry cloth and just wipe off, because what you've done is you've sanded off the top layer of color. So you just want to wipe off the dust that comes from that. I can't say enough about how important this is. So, and I'll keep on coming back to them, and in each class I will probably be emphasizing a different aspect of it. But for today, I want to talk about variety of tone, size, and shape. Is going to be my little example that I'm going to show you. This is a collage that I made just with magazine images and some sanding over there that I spoke about. What I mean by tone, of course, is the very dark over here. Then the medium is sort of this green is a medium tone. Almost if you close your eyes a little bit, you'll notice those tones will come out stronger. Of that white edge. And then when you put it down against a contrast, that is what happens. So again, I just pulled this first paper as my inspiration, and then I'm just seeing what I like with it, bearing in mind all the things that we spoke about. You know, I need something to pop. So that's why I'm bringing in like another color to see how it would work with it. So, you know, you don't have to decide exactly what you're doing and how you're putting it together. You just have to pull the papers together that you're going to use. And I try not to use more than 3 or 4 papers because it becomes too complicated after that.